It may be feeling more and more like spring out there, but we still have several local teams playing winter sports. Let's take a look at how the Lebanon and Hanover boys basketball teams fared in their Division II tournament openers last night. I visited the Lane Metcalf Gymnasium to watch the 4th-ranked Lebanon boys basketball team take on 13th-seeded Oyster River in the first round of the Division II tournament. The Raiders shot their way to a 9-point lead after the opening quarter and extended that margin to 17 by the start of the 4th before sealing an 82-60 victory and a trip to the quarterfinals. KJ Maddie finished with a game-high 29 points for Lebanon, including this nice finish on a behind-the-back pass from Ryan Milliken. Milliken added 16 points for the home team, followed by Jake Hansen with a career-high 14 points, including this layup on a feed from Graham Chickering. The Raiders were dominant on both the offensive and defensive glass, as Jeremiah Morton cleaned up this miss from Maddie before Noah Mays' nice rebound and putback here. Lebanon will welcome 15th-ranked Merrimack Valley to town for Friday's quarterfinal by virtue of the Pride's 1-point first-round win over 12-seeded Hollis Brookline. Both KJ Maddie and Lebanon coach Keith Maddie spoke to the importance of their team's 14-4 regular season record that earned them home court advantage for the first 2 rounds of the playoffs.
It's very important. We have great fans. We love this new court. These are the first time, anybody that's not from Lebanon has shoot on these baskets. It's just us all season that shot on these baskets, so it's really helpful. It's a big advantage.
Well, I think it's critical. It's almost everything in our league because it's such a home court advantage. They had to come 2 hours up the road. I mean, we were nervous coming out, but they were very nervous coming out, and it's big. It's really important. Well, we made some shots early, and that helped open up the lead, but what was great tonight was I think we played really good defense. I mean, even though we gave up 25 in the first half, I really feel like Oyster River really stuck some difficult shots, and you take away some of those threes, and they really had a hard time getting a look. So I was really pleased with our defensive effort tonight.
It was a low-scoring affair over in Hanover, but the 8th-ranked Marauders avoided the upset in its Division II tournament opener against the 9th-seeded Milford team that beat them by 15 points back in January. Dom Linehan led the way with a game-high 10 points. Be sure to check out tomorrow's broadcast for coverage of the top-seeded Hanover girls hockey team in its Division I semifinal against 5th-ranked Lebanon. Laura, back to you.